Best PC cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. Experience top-tier airflow, clean aesthetics, and effortless building with the NZXT H7 Flow, a refreshed 2024 take on one of NZXT's most beloved mid-tower designs. Engineered for builders who demand both performance and style, this case excels in the two areas that matter most in modern PC builds: superior airflow and effective noise control. With its premium perforated front and top panels, the H7 Flow maximizes ventilation without compromising on structure or design, keeping your system cool even under heavy workloads. Inside, NZXT includes 3 high-quality 120mm intake fans right out of the box, delivering impressive baseline thermals at a competitive $129.99 MSRP. The chassis feels sturdy and refined, with excellent fit and finish throughout. Its tempered glass side panel showcases your components, while the spacious interior supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards. The H7 Flow is also a dream for builders. Intuitive cable routing channels and plenty of tie-down points make achieving a clean build easy, even for beginners. With room for multiple radiators, large GPUs up to 410mm, and CPU coolers up to 185mm, it's ready for high-end air or liquid-cooled setups. Whether you're building a quiet workstation or a high-performance gaming rig, the NZXT H7 Flow delivers outstanding airflow, versatile hardware support, and a sleek modern look, making it one of the best mid-towers you can buy in 2024. Key specs. Dimensions: 21.4 inches by 9.6 inches by 18.75 inches. Weight: 24.3 pounds. Drive bays: 2x3.5 inch, 2x2.5. Front I/O, USB-A, USB-C, HD audio. Fan support: up to 7 fans, 3 included. GPU length: up to 410mm. PSU support: ATX, up to 270mm. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. Create a PC case that's as unique as your build with the Cooler Master Qube 500, a one-of-a-kind DIY chassis designed to make assembling your case part of the fun. Perfect for builders who love tinkering or families looking for a memorable project, the Qube 500 arrives as an easy-to-assemble kit, giving you the satisfaction of building your case before you install any components. Its modular design and colorful panel options give it a playful yet premium look that stands out on any desk setup. Despite its compact Qube-inspired footprint, the Qube 500 supports full-size ATX motherboards and standard ATX power supplies, offering the flexibility of a larger tower without taking up extra space. With 4 internal 3.5-inch drive bays and 3 2.5-inch SSD mounts, it's an excellent choice for storage-heavy builds. The tempered glass side panel highlights your hardware, while swappable exterior panels allow you to refresh the case's look whenever inspiration strikes. Cooling is simple and effective thanks to support for 3 120mm or 140mm fans and one included 120mm fan. With GPU support up to 368mm and CPU cooler clearance of 175mm, the Qube 500 can handle modern, high-performance components with ease. Affordable, sturdy, customizable, and genuinely fun to build, the Cooler Master Qube 500 is the perfect chassis for creators, hobbyists, and anyone who wants a PC case that doubles as a hands-on project. Key specs. Dimensions: 16.4 inches by 9.1 inches by 16.0 inches. Weight: 17 pounds. Front I/O, USB-C, 2x USB-A, HD audio. Drive bays: 4x3.5 inch, 3x2.5. GPU length: up to 368mm. PSU support: ATX, up to 215mm. Number 3. InWin A3. The InWin A3 proves that a compact PC case can deliver performance well beyond expectations. Designed for builders who want a smaller footprint without sacrificing cooling or component compatibility, the A3 punches above its weight class in every way. Slightly larger than a typical micro ATX tower, this smart upsizing gives you significantly better airflow, hardware clearance, and building flexibility, all while keeping your setup clean and compact. With Win's signature aesthetic and a modern tempered glass side window, the A3 looks elegant on any desk. Inside, it supports both micro ATX and mini ATX motherboards, making it an excellent choice for value-focused builders looking to get more performance per dollar. For such a compact chassis, the A3 offers outstanding thermal performance thanks to support for up to 5 120mm or 140mm fans and one included ARGB fan that adds subtle, customizable lighting. Despite its small footprint, the A3 fits high-performance components with ease. It accommodates GPUs up to 340mm long, CPU coolers up to 162mm tall, and full-size ATX power supplies up to 200mm, rare for micro ATX cases. With two 3.5-inch drive bays and three 2.5 SSD mounts, there's plenty of room for storage-heavy builds, too. Front panel connectivity is modern and robust, featuring USB-C, USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, dual USB-A ports, and HD audio. Lightweight yet durable, space-saving yet powerful, the Win A3 is a standout choice for builders who want compact size without compromise. Key specs. Dimensions: 13.63 inches by 8.47 inches by 15.75 inches. Weight: 11.6 pounds. GPU length: up to 340mm PSU, ATX, up to 200mm. Fan support: up to 5.1 ARGB fan included. Number 4. Thermaltake View 270TG ARGB Matcha Green. Get premium features without the premium price tag with the Thermaltake View 270TG ARGB, a standout chassis that delivers exceptional style, airflow, and value, all for under $100. Available in bold pistachio green, clean white, or eye-catching hydrangea blue, this case brings personality to your setup while packing in features usually found in far more expensive models. Its wraparound tempered glass panel gives you a panoramic view of your build, making it perfect for showcasing RGB components and clean cable work. The View 270TG doesn't just look great, it performs. With support for ATX, micro ATX, mini ATX, and even ATX motherboards, it's ideal for gaming systems of all sizes. Thermaltake includes 3 addressable RGB fans for vibrant lighting right out of the box, and the chassis supports up to 6 total fans for excellent airflow. Dust filters at every intake location keep your internal components clean and running efficiently. Inside, you'll find thoughtfully planned hardware support, GPUs up to 428mm, CPU coolers up to 180mm, and ATX power supplies up to 280mm fit comfortably. Storage is flexible, with two 3.5-inch drive bays and two 2.5 SSD mounts. The modern front I/O panel includes USB-C, dual USB-A ports, and HD audio. Awarded an editor's choice for its unbeatable price-to-performance ratio, the Thermaltake View 270TG ARGB is the perfect pick for builders who want standout looks and premium features without stretching their budget. Key specs. Dimensions: 18.02 inches by 9.07 inches by 17.9 inches. Weight: 14 pounds. GPU length: up to 428mm PSU, ATX up to 280mm. Includes 3 ARGB fans, supports 6 total fans. Number 5. Lian Li DAN A3-mATX. The Lian Li DAN A3-mATX is the ultimate micro ATX case for builders who want smart design, excellent hardware support, and exceptional value, all in a just right size. Created in collaboration with the renowned German compact casemaker DAN Cases, this chassis blends thoughtful engineering with Lian Li's trusted craftsmanship. The result is a Goldilocks micro ATX case, not too big, not too small, but the perfect balance for most PC builds in 2024. Its strong feature set, flexibility, and pricing earned it our Editor's Choice Award. The A3-mATX offers surprising hardware capacity for its footprint, supporting micro ATX and mini ATX motherboards, GPUs up to 425mm long, and CPU coolers up to 165 mm tall. Whether you're assembling a powerful gaming system or a long-term general-purpose build, the A3-mATX gives you ample room to grow without requiring a bulky tower. 3 internal SSD mounts and a 3.5-inch drive bay offer solid storage options, while the front-mounted PSU support, ATX, SFX, or SFXL, maximizes interior layout flexibility. Cooling is equally versatile, with support for up to 4 120mm or 140mm fans, giving you strong airflow potential. While the case is best paired with Lian Li's solid side panel for a clean, understated look, it also supports an optional window panel for those who prefer showcasing their components. Modern front I/O ports, including USB-C, dual USB-A, and HD audio, make everyday use convenient. Lightweight at just 10.8 pounds and built with premium materials, the Lian Li DAN A3-mATX stands out as one of the best general-use micro-ATX cases available today. Key specs. Dimensions: 12.66 inches by 7.64 inches by 17.8 inches. Weight: 10.8 pounds. PSU support: ATX/SFX/SFXL. GPU length: up to 425 mm.